Hi, welcome to Adobe Gab. Today, I will be going to show you how to make motion tween in Adobe Animate. So we are here in the luxurious world of the Animate. I've drawn here a stage and a ball. I'm going to increase the duration of the ball and the stage by just pressing F5 in the keyboard. In this video it reaches up to 2 seconds only. Then right-click on the ball layer and select Motion Tween. Motion Tween is the one who create your frames, so you will no longer need frame-by-frame animation. And go to the scene that you want to make an animation. On this video, I set it in 1 second. Next click on the subject, or the ball to where you want to make it move. And move the playhead to the view that you want to make an animation. At this video, I set it in 2 seconds. Next tick on the subject, or the ball to where you want to make it run. So as you can see it as line that guides you on where the ball will go. You can also make it curved to have a more defined bouncing. Just like this. Also hit enter if you want to play. And play it. Now it is more defined if you add curve. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this Animate tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on my videos, and stay safe.